Now that's what I'm talking about, boys. Good idea. I had to buy a new camera for that bit. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys, with another episode of our favorite series on the channel, buying dumb shit. So if you guys don't know how the series goes, here's how it goes. Every single week, we pick a rapper, or actually you guys do down below, and we go online and we buy exact replica chains of what this rapper may wear. Now, why do we do that? One, because I give away most items to you guys so you dig it, and two, if we get something that looks really real, we just take it to a pawn shop and sell it for more, so it's a win-win situation. So this week, you guys picked Lil Pump, and I actually have a little bit of an announcement. Generally, on this channel, I try not to overdo a series, which means this is actually going to be our last episode of this series on the channel. I want to move on to new things unless, and I say unless, we can get 5,000 thumbs up within a day down below. I just don't want to overdo it. So you guys are like, wow, man, this is like, you just do this a lot. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys actually still want to see it, leave a thumbs up down below and leave a comment of who you'd want to see next. But for today, I thought we ended off on Lil Pump, of course. Also, of course, we do give away one or two of the chains that I generally purchase. The rest I keep for props. Once again, all you got to do, once again, leave a thumbs up down below and comment. Also, follow my Instagram right here. We just got verified, so I think it'd look cooler if I had more followers. And then leave me a message saying you did all of that. Anyway, without further ado, boys, our next step is to go online on my computer, shop for these items. Then I'm gonna wait for these packages to come in, and I will join you guys in a couple days within this video to unbox them and see what we got. How's that sound? Perfect. Let's go. Alrighty, boys, we are live, which is dope. I actually love doing these computer talking segments, which is why we keep doing them. Apparently, you guys seem to dig them, so we keep doing it. So I can actually just talk to you guys on a bro-to-bro level. So we're starting off on my boys' website called Standards right now. Now, this is the first time they're actually sponsoring a video. They saw the love I've been giving them, and then they're like, hey, shout us out and put our link down below, which I'm gonna do. There's a link down below for them, and then we'll give you money. So now they're giving us money for this, so we can make more money and probably, oh man, buy more Selena Gomez merch, obviously. So first thing I see right here, I told them I'm super keen with doing a sponsored video with them because as you guys can see right here, that's something that Lil Pump wears all the time. You know, he's always got those little studded bracelet things, which are dope. I tend to dig those a lot. I don't know what we're gonna get. Let's go gold, actually. Gold sounds sick. I think he's got every single color. Size 6, maybe. I got little baby wrists. I got wrist for what the hell? Well, maybe we'll get that too. It's already in my cart. Oh, damn! So as y'all know, Lil Pump always wears like the bust down chains like this. Now, I've shopped at a lot of websites like this, and I'm saying this not because I'm sponsored, but these guys are actually pretty good with their prices. I've seen websites that are cheaper, but not with the quality. I've like gotten cheaper stuff on Amazon, but it doesn't look as real. Also, let me know down below, are you stoked for his new album coming out? Apparently, what's her name's on it? Lady Gaga, who I just think is hot. I don't care about your music at all, but the amount of pics that she has online, interesting. In the best way possible. I'm losing track. Oh, we should probably get this too. Gucci Link chain. He's actually got a few of those. Y'all know it's Gucci Gang, Lil Pump, 18 inches. That's like 10 times the size of a wiener. White gold. That's a cart. Alright, so standards. I'm not going to buy too many things on this website. Clearly, you're going to send them for free. But I'm also going to check out other websites as well, just so we can actually get some real Lil Pump product. Right now, what I'm seeing is kind of all I want. Maybe we'll get a bust-down watch here, too. Okay, we got to get grills as well, so I'll be picking up grills. Anyway, somebody sent me a link. I got to check this out right now. Please, no prawn coming up. Amazon. Somebody said that they have a Lil Pump replica piece of, like, his pendant. If you guys know, I haven't checked it out yet. They sent me a link, but then I forgot to click it, but I saw the picture. So we'll go Lil Pump right here. Oh, man. Let's go, let's go. Lil Pump chain. Apparently, it's a chain of his face, which said, yes! Fuck! $396. Oh, no. Oh, that's sick. Oh, dude. We can't not get it. At least for the thumb, we can't not get $400. $400. Oh my god. Okay, I guess we're copping it. We're gonna cop it for sure. I'm doing it. Oh, bad ideas all around. Usually I spend like a lot of money on these videos, so I guess it doesn't matter. Oh man. Can we just talk about how hot Selena Gomez, of course, but hold on, Lil Pump. Let's also see what other kind of chains we have. Lil Pump chain. So can we just talk about how hot what's her name, the one that Lady Gaga. I've been really into her face lately, and more importantly her body. And of course, Selena Gomez is my main, but I really feel like I slept on Lady Gaga, 100%. I just feel like she's not a face that you would generally equate with like, wow, she's someone that I think is really, for some reason I'm into weird noses, man, okay, so I guess this is all they have. We're just gonna go on to Google Images. Still no prawn, that's awesome. Google. I'm just typing fast. Lil Pump chain. Let's just see what he would be rocking. This is what I'm thinking. Also, do leave me comments. Yeah, so that's the real one he actually has. Do leave me comments down below of if you guys want this series to continue, because I still love it. I think it's still like kind of entertaining, and this is the only series I actually do where I shop online, and I dig that aspect, because I can actually talk to you guys and like ask you questions without having to cut things out. So what does he usually wear, bro? Okay, first off, I gotta see what kind of grills he usually has. Little grills, Jesus Christ. Pump. Little pump. That would have been a good bit if I just had like a wiener pump. Wow. Sorry boys, I got sidetracked. I've been quiet for about 2 minutes now. I was just actually seeing if my comment about Lady Gaga really stands up, like, because I just remember what she looks like in my head. I wasn't sure if she actually is hot or not, but she is. She definitely passes. For sure, but anyway, we're good now. Appreciate y'all for watching this portion. That's the websites that I go on to. Standards, of course, is going to be down below. Thank them for sponsoring this for sure. And we got to get that little pump pendant from Amazon. So without further ado, boys, let's go over to the Batcave, shall we? And we're back, boys. Now, I gotta say, it's about a week later. Standards usually ships pretty fast. Amazon, not so much if it's not Prime. Now, I've never been so stoked for one of these videos in this series because I think we really nailed it with what Little Pump would wear, so that's exciting. First off, I do want to say also, I'm still trying to give this away, and as you guys know, I always ask you to hit me up on Instagram. I messaged somebody back, and I'm putting this out here right now, so I'm giving you another chance, buddy. I messaged somebody saying that they want it. If I missed it, dude, just send me another DM so I can actually check on it again, and I'll give it to you. But if not, I'm still trying to give this away. I've got room for this stuff. So getting that out of the way, let's get on to the packages we got for what Little Pump would wear. And who knows, maybe if you get one of these items from me, a girl will give you a little pump. Bad joke. First off, we're gonna give it to our boys over at Standards. Alright, so once again, their link is down below. These guys always hook it up with the good boxes. First off, we got right here is... Okay, we got the full-on diamonds for that ass. Now, I wear only real silver, and I'm looking at this right now, and I feel like this looks more silver than my real silver, which sucks. Also, little shout-out, Standards and I are going to be making something like this for you guys to purchase if you want to. But anyway, we got the first chain right here. Obviously, Little Pump wears this, and it's the choker style, too, which I think looks absolutely retarded on white boys like me. But hey, if you guys want to rock this, you can definitely go get it. Very dope, though, for sure, especially if you put it on your bitch before you which would be boss for sure. Next up, okay, yeah. So we have gotten one of these before in another video. I think it was a silver one, but this is 100% a staple for Little Pump. I was actually on his Instagram before doing this video to make sure I'm getting the right stuff. Dude owns like 5 of these, and I think they're like 8 grand each. I just totally throwing that out there. It's probably not accurate at all. If you guys don't know, I'm really trying to like start a jewelry collection since YouTube money has been very great lately. So I actually really want to purchase one of these. I think I definitely got the wrong size too. I should have gotten 5 though. I don't know why I cheaped out. They're sending them for free too. Idiot. Last up from Standards, I already know what this is. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know why I got 2 of these, but this is the same chain you guys just saw, but it's longer. And it looks less bad on my body. So this is, oh man. I know I can't do these videos because I get the stuff that looks real and I'm like, damn, I could actually rock that if I wanted to drop 30 grand on a fucking chain. Shout out Standards for making this video possible for sure. I think we really knocked it out of the park with this. So one thing I wanted though, man, is like his star ring. I couldn't find one. Next, boys, the part we've all been waiting for, a package from Amazon. Here we go, buddy. What the fuck? No! No! Shit! I'll be right back. Alright, false alarm. I thought that it was missing the main pendant that we are all waiting for, but we actually have it right here. So, quick panic. Alright, so anyway, what we got from Amazon, here is, of course, the Little Pump grills, which honestly, I don't recommend wearing fake ones. These look absolutely ridiculous, but it's dope for the thumbnail. You know what I mean? Anyway, we got the fangs right here, which is kind of funny. How do you open it? God damn! Put more money into the packaging than the teeth. Oh, there's tape on it. It's taped. You know, they're not that noticeably fake in my mouth. Actually look pretty good, if you ask me. Let's get it! I'm not sure why he looks cooler than me when he does it, but anyway, those are the teeth right here. I think they're dumb as all hell. You know what? Let's just lower the brightness. There we go. Now we can see the real diamond glisten. All right, boys. Last stuff in this little pump unboxing. I feel like I've been moving a little bit fast, but the real reasoning behind that is because, oh my god, it's straight from China. I definitely got my money's worth on a $400 pendant. That's actually fake, so I don't know what I'm doing here. I feel like I'm going a bit fast, but I can't wait to get into this, man. Once again, probably the dopest thing we have ever had in one of these series videos, and that's why we're ending it off here. Oh my god. I don't think I've ever jizzed in my pants so fast. We have the Lil Pump diamond. I'm gonna focus on that necklace right there. Holy shit, fuck. This thing's insane. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, wow, look at the layering on this. So this thing actually, I guess is why it's so much money, is because they paid little kids probably in China, which sucks. I don't recommend that at all, but we have to be real with this situation. They paid probably somebody nothing to hand set these. So each diamond is hand set, which means it's good. I think, I don't know. But anyway, we got this right here. Now, I'm not gonna be giving this away yet because I do wanna keep this for a prop. And actually, while I'm at it, let me know down below if we should see how much money we could get from like Plato's Closet for this or like an actual jewelry store for this. Like, let's try to sell this thing for lots of money, is what I'm saying. But anyway, after that, if it doesn't work, I might give it away. I don't think I could probably return it to Amazon, even though I'd love to, because this is a $400 piece of metal. I feel like this is the perfect piece to end off the series. Y'all know where to get it if you want it. I'm not really sure why you would want Lil Pump's face on your body, but you know, if you rock that way, then who am I to judge? We're just gonna end it off here, man. If you guys want to see this series continue, let me know, but I don't want to overdo it, especially by getting into rappers that, like, I feel like we've done everyone that deserves it. Like, we've done X, which was dope. Love doing any video with X. It's just cool. I like him a lot, as a lot of people do. We've done 6ix9ine. That was dope. We've now done Lil Pump. I feel like that's where we take the gun and blow! Kill the series. Anyway, boys, appreciate y'all for watching. This was the Lil Pump jewelry unboxing haul, whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave thumbs up down below, and tell me actually down below how much you love me. You know what I mean? Just pump my tires a little bit. Be like, hey, Name Brand, I think you're probably the dopest person ever. And, you know, we hope you live longer than you probably will. Say that for sure. Just hype up my confidence a little bit. Appreciate y'all. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time, and all the goats. Wow. Also, I will be giving away one of these things, maybe two. Not sure, depending on shipping. I've been spending a lot on shipping, so anyway, you guys know what to do. Peace.